Why can humans hold their breath longer? Underwater. An instinctive reflex allows humans to adapt to underwater environments and hold their breath for extended periods. It may seem strange that humans can hold their breath longer underwater, especially with the increased pressure on the chest. However, this phenomenon is known as the mammalian diving reflex. When mammals are submerged underwater, several automatic physiological changes occur, likely triggered by sensory information, such as the face being wet, transmitted through the trigeminal nerve, according to IFL Science. When this reflex is activated, you automatically stop breathing, your heart rate slows, and peripheral blood vessel resistance increases. With this increase in vascular resistance, the body can conserve oxygen reserves for vital organs like the brain and heart, while diverting blood away from inactive muscles. Additionally, the slowing of the heart rate helps conserve oxygen by reducing the workload on the heart, thereby using less oxygen. The world record for holding one's breath underwater is 24 minutes and 37 seconds, set by free diver Budimir Shobat in 2021. He beat the second-place record by just 34 seconds. However, to achieve such breath-holding times, divers need to pre-oxygenate with pure oxygen before submersion. The urge to breathe is primarily controlled by chemoreceptors that aim to maintain proper levels of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the blood. During breath holding, carbon dioxide levels in the blood increase while oxygen levels decrease. The initial urge to breathe intensifies after about 30 seconds, mainly due to rising CO2 levels. At a certain point, chemoreceptors also react to falling oxygen levels, causing a significant increase in the urge to breathe, according to Anthony Bain, an associate professor of human kinetics at the University of Windsor. Eventually, the overwhelming desire to breathe becomes so strong that the diaphragm, the main respiratory muscle, contracts involuntarily, an involuntary respiratory movement. This is the point that untrained breath holders typically cannot surpass, leading them to resume breathing, usually after around 3 minutes of determined breath holding without oxygen support. By inhaling pure oxygen beforehand, the reflex to breathe can be delayed, allowing highly trained divers to remain underwater for up to 20 minutes. Without such preparation, human breath-holding ability remains impressive, with the current non-oxygen-assisted record being 11 minutes and 35 seconds. While the diving reflex is a complex process, its primary goal is simple: to preserve life through physiological adjustments in response to the environment.